वेलकम बैक टू द स्टूडियो। स्वागत है दोस्तों आप सभी का यहाँ पे। यहाँ पे डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, बड़ा ही इम्पोर्टेंट मैटर है। अब वीडियो की लेंथ थोड़ी सी इंक्रीज हो जाएगी यहाँ पे। आई ट्राई टू डिस्कस द थिंग्स इन अ क्लियर ऑडियो। लेट्स स्टार्ट हेयर। काइंडली शेयर दिस इम्पोर्टेंट अपडेट। ये इम्पोर्टेंट ही है, ऐसे ही नहीं हर वीडियो में इम्पोर्टेंट लिखा जाता दोस्तों। स्टार्ट करते हैं यहाँ पे। अपडेशन ऑफ पेंशन, द केस पेंडिंग बिफोर द हॉनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट, MC Singla and others. Some of our members, in a mood of anxiety and anguish, have drawn out attention to circular issued by retiree organizations on the above subject as on a recent date. The aims and purpose of the said communication, though apparently innocent and academic in nature, is really distressing to the core because its real intention is to supply arguments to the management, that is IBA in the present case, or person opposing the case by relying upon certain arguments which are ill conceived and unfounded. We like to go para-wise to convey to our members the real positions. First is IBA has taken the decision to allow ex gratia to the pensioners because of pendency of various court cases. Nothing bar settlement of updation even though it is sub judice, means matter अभी pending है कोर्ट में. IBA settled 8th BPS the anomaly of 1616-1684 DA merger for basic pension, but prospectively although the issue was sub judice. Later on the pensioners won the legal battle and got the arrear with retrospective effects, means from the back date. We reiterate that the stand of IBA not to resolve the issue of updation as the matter is sub judice in the lame excuse. In the past also, when the negotiation processes were on, same were challenged in the court, but settlements were concluded despite being sub judice. Anybody buying the idea of matter sub judice as hindering factor for the resolution of pension updation are questionably siding with the IBA, causing disservice to the rightful entitlement of updation as per regulation 35(1). उसके बाद जो थर्ड मैटर यहाँ पे है, there had been signals and feelers from certain quarters that 100% DA neutralization would be considered if retirees agreed to withdraw the court case. As against this, our views are, this is very well known to all members and the affected persons. The issues as stated above was rudely opposed by a powerful coterie by telling openly that there was no merit in the demand, and one of the probable reasons behind such an unreasonable utterance is that out of constituency represented by the said organization, almost 90% had been getting 100% as the entire basic. So basic pay fell within the first slab of 100% DA, and balance 10% had only a minuscule portion of basic pay fell in the second slab, getting slightly less than 100% DA. उसके बाद जो another है, it was a sad experience for us when we met the delegation of AIB Park along with our Tamil Nadu state functionaries from top leaders of United Forum. In his office requesting for extension of 100% DA to pre-November 2002 retirees, our request was rejected outright when we pointed out that the 8th BPS settlement only stated that the DA is switched to uniform rate from the 1st Feb 2005 and never stated that it would not be available to pre-November 2002. Retirees came the revelation that it was subsequently much later after the settlement was signed suo motu. IBA communicated to the banks to exclude the pre-November 2002 retirees from the 100% DA neutralization. It is still mystery who gave the nod to this wrong interpretation by the IBA. It is still a great mystery why the denial of uniform DA was not resolved amicably. उसके बाद जो नदर मैटर यहाँ पे मैं मानूंगा सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, दैट इज़ द हॉनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जो हमारा केस है MC सिंगला, वो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है यहाँ पे दोस्तों. For the period from 1st November 2002, DNS allowance shall be payable for every rise or fall of 4 points over 288 points in the quarterly average of all India average working class consumer price index at the following rates. तो वो rates आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. But I'll see the MC Singla case. Dismissing the MC Singla case, the Punjab and Haryana High Court, Honorable Justice K. Kannan held, though it was agreed to frame rules for application of settlement dated 29th October 93, the issue was not taken up and final regulations were approved without provision of application. As against this, our views are: while reporting the portion of the judgment, the author of the circular conveniently forgot to mention that application of pension was provided in Regulation 35(1) and procedure for application has been mentioned in Appendix 1 for the eligible batch at the point of the time of 1st 1986 to 31st October 87 retirees, and that the same formula was adopted by central government in 2003. The amendment was made mandating periodical updation, but IBA failed to implement the same by withholding publication of updation formula for subsequent base revision settlements. The Singla case, petitioners filed the petition much after the amendment in Regulation 35(1) was affected in the year 2003, making the regulation universally applicable for all pensioners. Quote, basic pension and additional pension wherever applicable should be updated as per the formulae in Appendix 1. So perhaps the petitioners as retirees had no access to the amendment that took place in 2003. What was it not the moral duty of concerned bank management and IBA to have brought it to the notice of the Honorable Court about the existence of Banks Employee Pension Regulation 1995 and subsequent amendment in 2003. So ये तो आपको पता ही है दोस्तों. At appeal stage, petitioners are not permitted to raise new issues other than clause 12 of Memorandum of Settlement and provision of Regulation number 56. As against this, our views are: even at the cost of reputation, we wish to state that Bank Employee Pension Regulations is a subordinate legislation and hence it is statute. So a statute is in public domain and it is deemed to be in public view. Hence my law, omitted to be cited or noticed in the original argument, can always be brought at any stage of appeal proceedings. Next, जो लास्ट दोस्तों आपको पता होगा, नो डायरेक्ट मेंशन ऑफ प्रिंसिपल ऑफ फेमस नकारा केस इन WPSLP's आवर व्यूज एज अगेंस्ट दिस आर. आपको पता ही है दोस्तों, जो हमारा सबसे फेमस केस है DS नकारा केस, Honorable Justice DS Nagara golden logic is that very purpose of pension or liberalizing it is for the welfare of retired employees and is considered a public purpose, and what public purpose is served by denying the liberalized pension to those pensioners merely because they retired before a cut-off date. The basic lesson imparted by the golden rule is that the pension is not a charity or bounty, and the need to improve upon the pension serves a public purpose. Everyone shall have to remember that the demand for updation of pension serves a public purpose, and nobody can or should work against this public purpose. So we earnestly request all the concerned not to toy the illogical stand of IBA. We also request all concerned not to be swayed by the deliberate assertions of IBA that bank employee pension regulations do not provide for updation. just because that IBA filed a false affidavit in Honorable Court. We have seen how continuously IBA lost the cases filed by the individual retirees on many issues. तो आपको पता ही है दोस्तों. So AIB Park right from the incorporation developed since more than 12 years and successfully focused the issue of arbitration most logically and empathetically, quoting the appropriate regulation 35(1). Conceding ex gratia now is the 12th BPS, though not in line with our demand for arbitration of pension as regulation 35(1), still amounts to the fact that the battle of arbitration of pension is already half won, and we shall not rest until full arbitration of pension is achieved. Meanwhile, AIB Park and our affiliates Arise are coordinating with the pensioners. That is the famous case MC Singla. So with this, that's all for this session. So इसे मैं यहाँ पे वीडियो को एंड करूँगा because लेंथ बड़ी ज़्यादा हो चुकी है वीडियो की. So if you have any queries, you can make a comment in the comment section. So बहरहाल के लिए इतना ही. Take care all.